Yeah. Now just moving with graphics, graphical window. Just add graphics. If you have things, just open the graphics window. Or else you just need to add the graphics. Add the graphics window. Yeah. Now this. Yeah. This is the graphical window. Whatever signal we are transmitting, we can see as graphical view. Now example, just here how we can add the graph signals here. For that we are having that plus option there. Now just you click means you can, it is as per add can signal in signal or flexible signal. Now we are using the can signal. Just add can signal. The signals are mentioned here. Like database is opening. Now you just add the engine speed means just add engine speed. Now you are getting the graphical window. According to whatever we have read now, the triggering value is getting like gradually increasing and getting short. In this graphical window, you can add many signals like and another one shortcut is also here. Means in trace window you just need to drag and drop here. From trace window I just drag and drop here. You can get vehicle speed also. Gradually the green color is vehicle speed and the red one is engine speed.
If I want to split the
So far you are getting this one or any error or any doubts up to this. Brake status also here. Brake status is changing here. Yeah, now we are getting this same one. Any doubt? Yeah, shortcut means nothing but I am just opening the trace window parallelly, just drag and drop into this signal. Just I am here, I am dragging the accelerator position. See, here I am dropping. I can get for the signal is same. If you want this x-axis also, you just need to tick the J-box. It is engine speed. You can see it is engine speed. I have checked only one checkbox here. I can check all the thing in. I can get all the signals here. Like x and y axis. Now, how we can see in separate windows, separate signal in separate windows. For this, we are having one option. We are having one option as increment split. Incrementing the graphical window. Just I am giving the increment split. I can parallel open another window also. This is one graph and this is one graph. For this graph, I didn't add any signals here. That's why I am not getting any output here. I am just adding another window. So this is another increment. I am having 3 increment splits here, 3 graphical windows here. Just I am dragging and dropping into another thing. You can get all the things. I am using 3 signals for 3 windows. Here you can see the base status is going like same line because it is in like it is taken as maximum value as 100. 100 means it is one very low thing only. That's why it is getting like that. For that you just double click this, you can get window like this. You can get window like this, maximum value as 100. And you can change it as 0 to 1. Just apply means you can get window like zeros and ones. We are using 10 milliseconds. That's why it is going faster. And we are using the step size whole time as 100 milliseconds now. That's why it is going very faster. You can see the message ID of the signal also here. What is the value type and what is the signal, what is the data length, all the things you can able to see here also, in graphical window also. Just try this. If you are getting any error, let me know. If you don't want the split means we are having option as decrement split also. Just use the decrement split, it will split. The color of the signal also you can able to change. You can able to change here whatever you require. You just change means we can get the same color as. This single line bar is for just checking the timestamp. This single line bar is for just checking the timestamp of the signal at the time. What is the signal? What is the value like? This double line bar is for just taking the this part of the value stamp. Like just click here and take double bar. Like just click here. Yeah. Here you can see first line is this is the first line. This timestamp to this timestamp. What is the value? Like that we can see using this double bar. At the time you can add a real comment also. Just right click and this data time. What is the value? So like you want to add some comment means just go for real comment and add data comment. You can add data comment. Add data comment means you just need to place the cursor first here and next you just right click here. Add data comment option is there. Just you need to comment means the measure time would be. I mark time as 440. The time what we want is some like the signal is engine speed. The signal is means we'll get the real time data here in graphic window. In graphic window, you can see the signal is engine speed. I have marked the real time data command, so it is reflecting in graphical window.
We have to right click, sir.
You just write here. You can see the option as signal. In default, you are using in signal. In here, you can change to real time command. After changing to real time command, in signal 2. You are changing real time command. After that, you need to place a cursor, single bar here. Just you need to place a single bar here. I am placing the single bar here. You can see. After placing, I am right clicking here. In real time data command, I am right clicking. Add data command is there. I am just using this message. I am giving OK. You will see here the text message is showing. This is how we can add real time data command.
Just place somewhere whatever you want. Click and go to real time data command. No, just one time. Just go to real time data command. Right click here. Add data command. Timestamp is normal to. You just need to add the data command. You can add here also. values changing. Whatever value changing, it is changing here. The value and the HP also. If you want to see other tabs, separate tabs, you just need to function of increment split. Increment split means you can get two graphic images. Just I am trying to say it here. You see? Yeah. That is what making it right adjustment. Making it times time. Clicking this for going enable after this placing this. I am getting error means at the time of testing I am getting error. Just I am placing it. After placing, just go to real-time comments. This option. I am right clicking add data. Here the time is marked here and mark as error. Just make and you go means you will get real-time data.
We have several parallel typing is mastering writing.
Isn't referring here. Just open the Arduino. Already you are in Arduino, you want to check the library manager first. Here the option is library manager. You need to search auto WP. Yeah, you need to first install Arduino. Just install. After installing, you need to check this library is available. Auto WP. First auto WP. This is the library which you need to install. Just first install this.
Already installed.
Yeah.
That's now need it.
Okay. Okay. If we download install the package means in file examples we are getting the auto MCP 2515. Here you need to first we are going to write the message. First we are going to write the message. Write means nothing but we are sending message. Sending one ECU to another ECU. We are considering here as Arduino UNO's one ECU and another Arduino UNO's another ECU. Just open the write code. In this write code, they are including this is pre-defined program.
Can read first.
Yeah, first write. We are going to write some program. First we are going to transmit. After that we will receive. For you, just one of the work with write. This SP.h is nothing but header file. I told another SP. Yeah, SP. We are going to use that only. And this header file is for CAN. MCP 2515. This is for CAN controller. And here we are declaring the message. We are just going to pass only one message. Just commanding this. I will take this one. First, we are going to transfer only one message. From one message, we are going to transfer three. We are going to transmit RKE. Just consider as RKE. This is nothing but chip selector. We are using 10 now. 10 chip selecting now. If you are working with, you need to set as 10. If you are working with mega,
At the time you need to set as 53. 53, yeah. Mega is 53.
You know it's 10.
Yeah, you know is 10. Chip select. Chip select. You are using the CS now.
Mega is?
Mega is 53. Yeah.
This one is select.
Yeah, chip select.
Okay.
What the bit we are using chip select not 10. That's why we are using here as 10. Yeah. Next, we are going to work with message. We are going to write some message. I am writing message ID as 120. We are taking as RKE. RKE is 120.
That data
As a database we are going to work.
Okay.
First we will work with this Arduino. After this we will go to the PS master.
50 on site.
53. Yes. By 3. Arduino Nano we are not going to see as well because we can't take it. So that pin like a default pin we will say some yeah. We can use 10 also. Nano is also 10.
Only
We are using only UNO and Mega here. Sir. In our kits we are using only Mega UNO. Yeah. In that 120 we are having only 3 DLC: lock, unlock, tailgate. So I am changing the DLC length as just 3. Okay. I am going to
Three, sir, three are there.
yeah 3 signals are there now. So that's why I am changing the signals as 3. Yeah, data length. I am going to transfer only 3 messages. I need only 0, 1, 2. Other things I am just cutting. Yes, 3 things we are going to transfer. We are set as lock signal as 1, unlock signal as 0, and tailgate signal as 1. We can say. In while setup, if you are using, you can be able to get only one-time data. For that, we need up like loop data now. So we need up periodic data. So that we are going to copy and paste it in our loop section. Same data, just I am cutting here and pasting in our loop section. Yeah. This while serial is nothing but just running the loop again. If it is not here means also it is running the loop. Just I am commenting that. We are using baud rate as 115200. In UNO we will use 9600 also. We are using CAM now, so that's why we are using 115200. That baud rate we are going to use here. What baud rate we are going to use means that baud rate also you need to set in serial monitor. Yeah. Yeah, same. Read and write also same. And here the reset is code is for just resetting already dumped code. Yeah, previous code. Here the bit rate is we can transfer CAN up to 1 MB per second now. We can take a smart rate up to 500 KB. Like that you need to change CAN 500 kb per second, and you need to include another one parameter there, that is crystal oscillator, MCP of underscore 8 megahertz. It is working on 8 megahertz, so you need to place this also, or else you didn't get any output. You didn't get any error also, but you didn't get any output also. That's why we are using this crystal oscillator frequency. And we are setting to normal mode. This is no need of just okay. In loop we transfer the 3 signals. After that we are sending the message. We are using only one message now, so that's why MCP 2515 send message of CAN message 1. CAN message 1 nothing but ID 120 what we are given. Now just compile this, check any error. If any error means we will do this. I sent the blue kit there. I will just download this. I just download. Yeah, I will wait.
Okay.
You also parallel
can do updates.
the it is compiled and now I am going to upload this. First going to select the board. It is serial port of 4 COM4. I am going to select the board UNO. If you are using mega means you just type you can get mega 2560. This is the board we are using here. Yeah. I am going to use now UNO. Just selecting and uploading the board. Just upload this code.
How many IDs we can send the information to this? Because we have
We can send any IDs, multiple IDs we can send. Just for understanding, I will just send you only one ID now. Or you upload it.
After speaking,
Frequencies MCP underscore 8 megahertz. MHZ.
MC capital.
Capital MCP underscore 8 megahertz. Yeah, it is uploaded now. You can see serial monitor. Message is sent. It's continuously running because we are given the
Where is it?
last. Message is sent. Now the message is sent. We are writing the code. Now we are going to read the code. In same examples, we are having auto WB read code. We are receiving here. Like just open the code.
Same
No same. It is different.
example.
Same auto WB.
Previously was applied.
Right, we are going to now read. Yeah. In this read code, same you can see same the can message is declared after that the chip select is set. You can see here also you need to set the baud rate as 500 kb MCP underscore 8 megahertz. The MCP 8 megahertz is nothing but crystal oscillator frequency. No need of change here, sir. Here, no need of change anything. You no need of change here. Just it is going to receive. Here it is same serial print. It is reset and set bitrate and normal mode. Here we are checking for the MCP has any error or not. Without this line also it is working. If I cut this line also, it is working properly. Cut the line also it is working properly. That is not an issue. We will check for can message ID. Which message ID is coming and it is going to loop. If you are sending two message IDs means first message ID first will print and next second message ID will print within this loop. For that we are using the for array of first ID and the can message two of second ID. Like that you are going to get the sub ID. For that just compile.
How do we have read the same argument? We have read for this argument.
Yeah.
Now we are again looking at the same
That's I am using two tabs for explaining using two tabs.
Okay. That's easy.
Yeah. Now it is compiled there. After that I am going to upload this. Further I am going to set up port. Before uploading you just check if the port and boards are correct or not. Here it is uploaded. And see it is getting 0, 0. Yeah. Now I am getting IDS 120, DXS 3. I am giving a 101 as lock unlock 0. So now I am getting the output.
That is not
It's not getting. MCP is given by GM, MCP underscore 8 channels. Now I get it.
without electric.
This we have done.
Yeah. Just I'm explaining for you. You just you look at it. Yeah. We are getting out.
Yeah, you use it.
That is not. This is asking for how the user
Now, same values we can see in DS master. Any one of you just connect the peak interface. You will connect that master to just go to DS master, upload our database because we are getting some numbers in now we don't know. So just upload our database. After that, just go for channel selection. In this channel selection, we need to change as big division. This is how it will work. Just check it. Here we need to change as peak device.
Yeah, please. You start with any right coding that also you are able to get it. 2 ways you are having your now just you can write codes to edit other items. Like you just go for right code, go for right code. Instead of 120, you just use 10 minutes. DC. Okay. 10 minutes.
That is EMS.
Yes.
TC.
TC. We can use TCU. Yeah. Use ID of 20. First signal DLC bit as 5. We can use 5. Yeah. Data is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 data we need to give. Like first one is vehicles we can use 100. Second one is for transmission gear ratio. Second one you can give 20. Like 30 you can give. Third one is for exposure. And the 0 and 1 only, no problem. And the fluid temperature is around 70. GSM status is U5. We just transmit this value. We will check with GSM. You can also set two IDs. You can check. Just you say analytics tool, like analytics tool, you can use any message. You need to send messages to. If you send 2 minutes, you
here ideas, message of two.
Only 1 minute is there.
You have to send 2 minutes, so you just first do one message, we'll check. Because we want to get